Hi everyone, welcome to Inside ITOM Solutions, a dedicated video series where we explain how to monitor and manage various IT systems with ManageEngine's IT solutions. I'm Vishnu, and in this video, we'll look at what traffic shaping is, why it is important, and how to implement it using NetFlow Analyzer. So what is traffic shaping? Traffic shaping is a network optimization technique that controls and prioritizes traffic by regulating how data flows across a network. It works based on predefined policies to ensure your bandwidth is used efficiently. Instead of letting all traffic compete equally, traffic shaping adjusts data transfer rates so critical applications get the resource they need. This helps prevent congestion and keeps network performance stable. Now, why do we need traffic shaping? Without it, a few high bandwidth applications can consume all available resources, leading to congestion, slowdowns, and poor performance for critical services. Traffic shaping ensures that important applications get priority, bandwidth is distributed fairly, and the network continues to perform better even during peak usage hours. Let's see how we can perform traffic shaping with NetFlow Analyzer. To get started, navigate to the inventory, then device, and open the device snapshot page. Click on the menu icon at the top right and select Service Policy. Let's first create a class map. Click on Add Class, enter a class name, and define a criteria such as DSCP value or IP address. Then click on Save. The next step is to create a policy. Click on Add Policy, enter a policy name, and choose the match statement. Select the relevant class map. The next step is to define how the traffic should be handled. Apply actions such as compression, drop, queue limits, service policy, or shaping, and enter the required values. Click on Add and then Save. And finally, click Apply to enforce the policy. Before you begin, make sure the NCM add-on is enabled to configure service policies and ACLs. Once the policy is active, with support for Cisco CBQoS, you get clear visibility into how your quality of service policies are actually performing in your network. You can view detailed metrics like pre-policy and post-policy traffic, packet drops, and how each traffic class is being queued, all from a single dashboard. This kind of visibility helps you understand whether your QoS policies is working as expected. If something is off, you can easily adjust your policy based on real-time data. This helps you understand whether your policies are working as expected, and if not, you can quickly fine-tune them using real-time insights. You can also track the impact of your traffic shaping policies through detailed reports and dashboards. Monitor bandwidth trends, application performance, and overall policy effectiveness to optimize your network continuously. This is a quick overview of traffic shaping with NetFlow Analyzer. If you'd like to explain this feature in detail, you can also contact our product experts for a personalized demo on this particular topic, or you can also download a 30-day free trial to experience it firsthand. You can find the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, and for more insights on network monitoring and IT operations, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.